Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the software and diagnostics right. Update iOS first, because firmware updates include battery improvements. Once updated, go to Settings, Battery Health and Charging, and enable Optimized Battery Charging. This reduces time spent at 100%. While you're there, note maximum capacity percentage and peak performance capability so you can track decline. Don't wait. Enable these options now so the system can manage charging behavior and protect chemistry over months of daily cycles. Next, change how you charge and use the phone daily. Try to avoid sustained 100% or deep discharges. Aim for roughly 20 to 80% for typical days because shorter, partial charges stress the battery less. Use Apple-certified USB-C chargers and cables. Avoid repeated high-power fast charging unless necessary. Lower screen brightness, turn off background app refresh for heavy apps, and keep the phone out of direct sun or hot cars. Heat accelerates battery aging. Make these small shifts and you'll slow capacity loss. To finish, perform light maintenance and know what to do if something goes wrong. You can do an occasional full charge cycle to help the battery gauge, but don't make it routine. iOS manages calibration automatically. If battery health metrics look wrong or charging behavior seems off, reset all settings or backup and restore iOS to rule out software glitches. If capacity drops rapidly or the phone heats while charging, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics and potential battery service. Do this before problems worsen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.